Hey, it's Bronwen. So this morning I woke up and I started doing my morning thing, and I happened across Facebook and Kelly Walker was doing a video, and she was like, this is one of my 50 videos that I'm doing in 2 weeks. I'm going to turn off my fan so you don't hear all that racket. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's kind of soft, but it's distracting me. Anyway, so then I was like, why are you doing this? What's the purpose? And what's the point? What are you getting out of it? And she told me it's because one of the mentoring programs she's in, most of the people in there are afraid to do live videos, and so they have to do 50 in a week to just like push them over the edge. They'll probably not do all 50 except for Kelly because she's like on it. But she then turned right around and challenged me to do it. And so I'm like, oh. And this morning, all this stuff came up for me about social media and the supposed tos. And I don't know what they are. And I just get on, hey Tim. I just get on and I, as intuition dictates, if I feel like it's the thing to do, I hop on social media and I say something. And like with live video, it seems like it takes longer, so I don't do it as often, but I can see the value in it. So here I am. Yesterday I was doing a live video because I challenged other people to do a live video and I wanted to walk my talk. So I just did it. And I think that this whole 50 videos is just, there's nothing else for it to be. It's just going to be whatever's on my mind right now, And so anyway, do you feel like, this is what I want to know. Do you feel like it's annoying when people go, post a lot on social media? Because that's what has been coming up for me. I'm like, it doesn't annoy me. But, I mean, if you've been following me, you know that a couple of months ago, I actually had this huge breakthrough on being annoying. Good morning, Amy. And because I was like, I'll tell you the story, since we're just doing doing whatever's on my mind. So back when, try it. It's not so bad. I mean, I'm not scared to do it. I know what I have on my mind. Just pick one thing and talk about it, right? So Heather, when you say that, if it's like, let's say that you saw somebody going live 50 times in 2 weeks, and they're just talking about what's on their mind. That's what I mean. If they're posting something that's just random on their mind, oh yeah, definitely. Heather says, I don't want to see your MLM stuff clogging my feed. Yeah, I know what you mean. So stuff of value, social stuff, it can be annoying. Amy says it can be annoying, but only if the topic triggers someone or isn't what they want to hear. Okay. So the fact that they're going live so many times, just that fact doesn't say annoying. Is that what I'm hearing? Okay, so I'm going to go into my story about annoying. I did do a post about this. I think it was in February. I had this really huge breakthrough. I thought I was annoying and I couldn't figure out why I felt that way. And everybody else was perfectly not annoying. They were perfectly charming and amazing. I was the one who was going to bug someone. And that was such a core thing that I couldn't talk myself out of it. I actually needed to go, I couldn't remember the memory, and I needed to go back to the root of it and really remember where that came from in order for me to shift it. Ugh, it was so long. It took forever, and I had a major meltdown, and then it was like midnight. I was falling asleep, and I remembered being at the mall or something when I was really little. I think I was like maybe 2. I was little. And everybody else was in line to go see somebody like Santa Claus or something. I think that's what it was. And the grown-up I was with said, let's not bug them. Santa Claus was perfectly happy to see everybody else, just not me. And so I took on that belief that he wouldn't be happy to see me. I would be the one who was annoying and that kind of thing. And that actually came in to this, shifting through this whole social media thing. Frequency doesn't say annoying. Okay, I'm gonna scroll up here and read what everybody's saying. Okay, Heather says, do I like watching you? Yes. So I'm fine with that. If we're friends on Facebook, clearly I want to see your face. Okay, that's cool. Okay, Tim says, everyone has their opinion on social media. It is just about doing it. Oops, got something in my way here. It will be what it will be to those that view it. Ah, I got stuff getting in my way. Hang on, I can't read. You just do you, and your people that love you will follow. I'm loving what Kelly is doing. I do too. Kelly's amazing. Kelly always inspires. Okay, frequency doesn't say annoying. Hello, Amador. And Jim said, I was worried about being annoying, being told, oh, been told I am my whole life. You know, is there anybody, if you're watching this, is there anybody who wasn't told they were annoying as a child by another child or whatever, you know, or felt like they were annoying because parents are like, shh, I'm doing something, not right now, and that kind of thing. So I think we all kind of come away with some of that. And we get to respect that it's a thing. Hey, Crystal. But Crystal, you're in that same coaching group. Are you doing 50 videos in 2 weeks? Everybody, if you're watching, I think Crystal's supposed to be doing 50 videos in 2 weeks too. So you got to go watch hers too. Anyway, I did turn that belief around, and I realized, you know, it had to be like this. Santa Claus wanted to see me, just like he wanted to see everybody else. That's why he was there. He was there to love on the kids, and I was one of them. So I got to believe that I'm part of this, and it just translates into everything. I actually feel really comfortable being here right now. I even got triggered right before this, and I'm still okay. It wasn't about this. It was about something else. I think I'll have to talk about that in another video, since I'm going to be doing 1 million of these in a day. So Jennifer, what is the point of it? I'm late jumping on. Oh, the point is to get over the jitters of being on live video. So Kelly's in a coaching group, a speaking group, and they are, like, most of them are afraid to get on live video. So they're like pushing through, doing 50 in 2 weeks. So watch Crystal, Crystal's done 2 of 50. All right, I will talk to you next time I go live, since I'm going to be going live a lot. I'll see you. Bye.